So, hi students. Today we'll discuss about the offline manner, the weekend portion, whatever completed in online manner. That's again we are going to discuss in offline. See here the hydrogen emission spectrum, very important. Hydrogen emission spectrum. Hydrogen emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. Hydrogen emission spectrum. If you see about hydrogen emission spectrum, the hydrogen gas when subjected to electric discharge, hydrogen gas subjected to electric discharge, which can be emits some energy. So in the discharge rate tube, we take hydrogen gas. So we are taking the hydrogen gas and we are passing some electric voltage. Here electric voltage is passed from this the electric discharge. Upon electric discharge passed through the hydrogen gas in the hydrogen molecules. From the hydrogen molecules, first they will be split into atoms. Then after what happened, the excited state electrons in the hydrogen atom goes to excited state in the various levels. So the electrons goes to from ground state to excited state when we pass some incident energy, they goes to excited states. So different hydrogen atoms, they goes to different excited states. In different hydrogen atoms, they goes to different excited states. When they are coming back to ground levels, they emit different energy levels. They emit energy. That emitted energy, if we record, that is called emission spectrum. So in the hydrogen emission spectrum, the first scientist Balmer observed lines. Balmer scientist first observed lines in the visible region. He first observed. That is at 6,563 angstroms. That is at red color he observed in the spectrum. 6,563 red colored he observed, and also one line is at 4,861 angstroms. That is blue green colored line he observed, and at 3,000 4,340 angstroms, one line he observed, that is blue color line. And also at 3,000 4,101 angstroms he observed one light, that is violet color line he observed. So he observed various lines in the hydrogen spectrum. So first scientist Balmer observed these lines. These are all visible region. So after Balmer, scientist Lyman, Paschen, Brackett, Fund, they observed the lines in the hydrogen spectrum. So we'll discuss how the hydrogen spectrum is obtained, and how the Lyman series and Balmer series, Brackett, Paschen, Fund existed. We will see. So this is the ground level. And these are excited levels. So this is infinite level. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, this is infinite level. So here is the nucleus is present. So when excited state electron comes to first level, any excited state electron comes to first level, that is called Lyman series. Lyman series. When excited state electron comes to first level, that is called Lyman series. And when excited state electron comes to n equal to second level, any excited state electron comes to upper level to n equal to second level, that is called Balmer series. That is called Balmer series. And any excited state electron when comes to upper level to n equal to third level, when they are stopped at third level, they are called Paschen series. Paschen series. And also when any excited state electron comes to n equal to fourth level, those lines are called bracket series. They are called bracket series. And any excited state electron when comes to stop at fifth level, that is called, if you take any line, if it is stopped at fifth level, they are called as Fund series. Fund series. So here Fund series. So Lyman, first among these all are observed in the hydrogen spectrum. Among these all, the first scientist Balmer first time observed these spectral lines. The first line is, this is called H alpha line. The next is H beta. This is H gamma and H delta lines. H delta. So for each series also, first one is always H alpha and the second one is H beta. This is H beta and third one is H gamma, that is H gamma, then this is H delta series, like this. So in each series from right to left to H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta we can consider. So these are first scientist Balmer observed after Lyman, Paschen, bracket, they observed their spectrums. So the Balmer series is present in visible region. This is present in visible. So we can see these lines only. We can observe only these lines with our naked eyes. But Lyman series and remaining series we cannot observe by the naked eyes, because Lyman series, these spectral lines are appear in UV region. They are appear in a UV region, and this Paschen is Paschen is in near IR, near infrared, near IR, and this bracket series is in IR region, infrared region, and the Fund series observed far IR region. Mean if those excited state electron from any excited state, if it comes to fifth level, that is Fund series, the emitted energy, the emitted frequency, if you record, that is present in the far IR region. So these are first observed by the Balmer, and also for these de-excitations, the emitted energy, the emitted radiation of frequency, wave number and lambda, wavelength calculated. So Balmer given the equation to calculate the wave numbers of these lines, wave numbers. So Balmer given that wave number nu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So here R is the Rydberg constant. So R value equal to 109,677 centimeters. So this is the Rydberg constant. R is Rydberg constant, and N1 is ground state or ground level. N2 is the excited level. So for every series, ground state is common, fixed, but for every series N1 ground state is fixed, but N2 may be changes. So N1 for Lyman series is first. N2 for N1 for Balmer series is 2 fixed. N1 for Passion series is 3 fixed. N1 is for bracket series is 4 fixed. N1 for fund series is fixed, that is 5. That means any excited state electron when comes to fund series means fifth series. It will become to fifth level. So we will discuss them. So for Lyman series, N1 ground state, N1 series, this is a series and this is a N2, okay now. And the spectra observed. So for Lyman series, N1 is 1 fix, N2 is maybe 2 or 3 or 4, etc. So spectrum observed in UV region. And for Balmer series, Balmer, okay now, Balmer series, N1 is 2 and N2 is 3, 4, 5, etc. This is observed in visible region, and then after Balmer, that scientist, that is a passion, that is N1 is 3 and N2 maybe 4, 5, 6, etc. This is near IR region. And then after him, bracket, that is N equal to 4, N1 equal to ground level. This is excited level, this is ground, lower level, ground level. N1 is a ground level for the series, particular series, 5, 6, 7, etc. This is IR region. And last fund series, ground level for this is 5 and 6, 7, 8, etc. are excited levels. Now this is appearing for IR region, Now if you see, so he has calculated limiting wavelength equal to nu bar equal to limiting wave number, infinite level. So that is R into 1 by 2 square for Balmer series. For Balmer series, if you see, N1 is fixed, that is 2 square minus 1 by infinite square. This is limiting wave number. So that nu bar equal to R into 1 by 4. This is become 0. So 1 by R. So R value if you submit, you will get limiting wavelength. So this is limiting wave number. Limiting wave number.